Hey, so OpenAI just came out with this new feature where you can build your own custom version of ChatGPT, essentially. So it's like you have ChatGPT, but then you can provide it extra data or extra instructions and then create a custom version of it. And so I decided to play around with this and see if I could build my own custom GPT. And so what I decided to do is build a SBA loan advisor that is going to use the publicly available SBA loan data that I've downloaded from the SBA's website and cleaned up the file to just look at the last 5 years or so of SBA loan data. And I got it into a kind of a friendly format. It's about 215,000 SBA loans over the last 5 years that we're looking at. And my hope is that this custom GPT here is going to be able to tell me who would be a good SBA lender for the specific type of loan that I'm looking to get. And so my hope is this could be used by other small businesses as they're looking for SBA loans. So I'm going to start by just clicking this button down here. It says, help me find an SBA lender that is a good fit. And so the advisor says, absolutely, we just need to know the purpose of the loan, the location, what state you'll be in, and what industry the business is in. So I'm going to say, I am looking to start a restaurant in Indianapolis, Indiana, and I need $100,000. So now it says it's going to look for SBA lenders that have experience in financing startups in the restaurant industry. All right, so there it is. Amazing. It says, based on the SBA loan data, that it took that 215,000 or so loans and narrowed it down and said, hey, Huntington Bank, Centeer Bank, First Source, Key Bank, and Fifth Third are all a good fit for a restaurant startup in Indiana. And it tells me how many loans each of those banks have made during that time period of the data set. And yeah, just does a quick, great job of finding who a good lender could be. Now, let me just, as an example here, say, what if I wanted to acquire a restaurant business? So I'm going to say, what if I wanted to acquire an existing restaurant? Instead of a startup, are there other lenders that would be better? So it says, yeah, the SBA lenders might be different. And so it's going to reanalyze the data and just determine if there are any SBA lenders in Indiana that work more with acquisitions, business acquisitions for restaurants instead. So there we go. The list does change up a little bit. So for acquisitions, Centeer's on the top of the list. Huntington comes in second. Merchants Bank, which wasn't on the list up here for startups, is on the list for restaurant acquisitions. And we can see the list changes here a little bit. Yeah, really cool. I think one of the things that I built into this tool as well was I told the GPT to ask the user whether you need any assistance with your business plan or financial projections as part of the loan application process, since that's what we do at ProjectionHub, help with financial projections. If the user says, yes, I could use help with that. So I was able to build it and say, all right, you should check out the business plan templates from ProjectionHub. ProjectionHub offers free business plan templates. It provides the link, and it also gives a shout out for our financial projection templates as well, and provides a link to that as well. Yeah, I was able to build this whole GPT probably in a couple hours, and I think it feels like magic. Would love your feedback, and if you have any ideas about how to make this better, that would be great. Thanks.